Overwhelmed with all the weapons you have on this team tonight?
I don't want to use the word overwhelm. I felt like we came out and played the game we needed to play today to win. They came out, obviously, played better than they did in game one, which we expected. And we had to find a way to eventually pull away here at home.
Dwayne, defense is everything around here, of course, but when you guys can crank it up the way you did at the end of the second quarter, 10 straight makes, 23 points in 3.5 minutes, how good is it to know that it's maybe not there every night, but it is there in your back pocket in case of emergencies?
Well, we have some good offensive firepower, and especially when we're moving the ball around, when everyone's getting involved. We're a lot better when we're setting screens and body movement. And that's what you want to do. You want to be able to get stops, and you want to be able to put some runs together. And we did that. We didn't play a perfect game by no stretch of the imagination. We got a lot of things we can get better at, that we need to get better at as we go on the road and try to get a win in game 3.
God, what are giving money out over here?
Nothing's really happening.
No, we won 2 games at home. Our job now is to go up there and try to get one. But understand that we're going to see a total different team, so it's our job, with the coaches, the veterans on this team, to prepare our team for, seeing a different ball club, understanding that the crowd is going to be ready, they're going to be behind them, and they're going to feed off that, just like we fed off of it in our 2 games at home.
How do you maintain the edge going up to Charlotte now?
Playoff basketball, that's where your edge at. It's going to be different, it's going to be, they're going to play a lot better. They're going to feel a lot better being back at home, sleeping in their own beds. This is what you play for. This is, our job now is to go up there and just try to get one. We're just trying to figure out how we're going to get a game, starting with the first one, and hopefully we put a game plan together that gives us an opportunity to do that.
You guys set a record in that first half, 72 points, 74% shooting. Have you ever seen a team where you got that kind of offensive flow going? It just seemed to keep going.
I don't know, man. We just be playing. It's not even. I don't even think about it like that. We just play the game, and when you hear it at the end of the game and say, "Oh, you guys had a record," to me it's impressive because of the teams we've had here. But when we out there, we're just playing basketball, and we're doing the things that coaches ask us to do, and what each player on this team want to do, and that's all playing playing our game, playing to our strengths, and playing together.
When you came down the stretch, you and Lee were a pretty good defensive battle there, going back and forth. Do you care to share anything that was being said there between you two guys? It seemed like you were really kind of taking them up to the challenge, I guess, so to speak, down the stretch.
Yeah, just having a little fun, man, with the game. I like that guy. I respect him, man. The guy's been in the finals before. Very tough defender. Just having a little fun with the game, and there's nothing wrong with a little talking back and forth. No disrespect in either way. Just 2 competitors.
I mean, you've been on teams that have evolved year to year. How do you explain within this season going from a team that was slower paced, offense clearly wasn't what you guys even thought it would be, to now where you are offensively as a team?
I don't know. I don't have that answer. I just know we needed to, and when we lost Chris, we needed to change what we was doing, and luckily we had the individual personnel, the guys, be able to do it so fast. And it's worked for us, for us to be in this playoffs, to have success that we've had so far, is the ability to adapt. And, that's good teams, if you can adapt throughout the season, because things are going to come up, injuries are going to come up. A guy's not playing well for a while, that's going to happen. So you got to be able to adapt, and we've done it.
Your 28 points wasn't good enough for the podium?